Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today videos viewers, I will show you beautiful seashell craft ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers, seashells picture frame. An ordinary picture frame can become something special with seashells. Simply decorate the edge of a wooden plain frame with seashells or different shape and size. Add a family photos, vacation pictures or beautiful beach scene inside. This make a wonderful reminder of summer and seaside memories. Seashell candle decoration. Seashell can also create a beautiful coastal centerpiece. Arrange shells around a decorative candle holder and add a few small stones or pieces of dry wood. For safety, use a battery-operated LED candles when placing shells and other natural materials close the flame. The result is simple, peaceful, perfect for a beach themed room. And friends, my next idea is viewers, friends, my next idea is viewers, and seashell worth. Start with the simple round base and attach shells around it. You can add starfish, stall decoration, raw beads, dry flower and piece of dry wood. Hang the finished work on a front door walls inside a beach themed room. And friends, my next idea is viewers, so friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers,